Hey guys, welcome back to the quiz leaf. Get ready to test your observation skills. Can you find the odd numbers, letters, emoji and math questions? There are three levels: easy, medium, hard.
Round 1. Can you find the odd number within time? Exactly, this is the odd number. Hurry up guys, are you quizmaster? Can you find the odd letter within 10 seconds? Excellent, this is the odd letter. Look closely. Can you identify the odd number in just 8 seconds? Wow, amazing! You identified the odd number. Come on, quiz lover. Can you find the odd letter in 8 seconds? Excellent, you are a real quiz lover. This is the letter. Hey viewer, one number doesn't belong here. Can you find the odd one out? Mind blowing, this is the number. Hurry up guys, the clock is ticking. Can you find the odd letter within time frame? Nicely done, you spotted within time. Hello my most senior viewer, focus your eyes and look very careful at every detail. Great focus, this is the number. Easy level done, medium level start. First question of the medium level. Which letter looks different to you? Can you find the odd letter? Well spotting, this letter is different from other. Hey genius, only genius player can beat this round. Can you find the odd number in 10 seconds? Nice observation, my genius, this is the number. Come on audience, one letter is hiding a secret. Can you find the odd one out? Yes, plus 1 point for you. This letter. Only sharp eyes can find the odd spy letter within time. job. This is the spy letter. Hello my respectable viewer, can you find the hidden odd number in just 10 seconds? Outstanding! This is the hidden odd number. Come on quiz master, can you catch the odd letter in just 15 seconds? Medium level done, hard level start. First question of the hard level. Can you spot the odd number that doesn't belong here in just 15 seconds? Boom! That one doesn't belong here. Hello my most senior viewer, can you find the odd one before time runs out? Exactly, you found before time runs out. Hey audience, in this quiz we check your observation skills. Can you find the odd number in just 15 seconds? Wow, amazing! This is the number. How sharp are your eyes? Can you find the odd imposter letter within time? Well done, this is the imposter letter. Hurry up guys, can you spot the odd number within time frame? Wow, you nailed it, this is the odd number. Hello genius, don't blink, the odd one is hiding here. Can you find the odd letter? Eagle eyes, this is the odd letter. Hey honorable, are you a true quiz master? Prove it. Can you find the odd number in just 15 seconds? Excellent, you are a real quiz master. This is the number. Please like and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to share your score in the comment box. Thanks for watching.